one of the projects that I really need to be doing, but I haven't done because we haven't been stopped anywhere long enough for me to work on anything, is this. This has been getting on my nerves for a long time. So I have this big bag of sanding paper and an orbital sander. And I'm gonna get on it today. I'm making progress. Got a long ways to go, but I have to stop for a few minutes because it's time for Steven's morning meeting and he can't hear if the sander's going. So probably 20-minute break.